Archer Aviation. Let's discuss Abu Dhabi's groundbreaking deal. Right guys, we're back with more Archer Aviation news, and this is actually the best news all week. So let's break it down, but before we get into it, we're currently doing $107 to $107,000 live Road to Glory challenge. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to not miss Sunday's live event. And if you want to see the trades as they happen, join our Discord, it's pinned in the comments below. Today, the aviation landscape in Abu Dhabi took a leap into the future with an announcement that could redefine the very concept of urban air mobility. Archer Aviation, known for its cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, entered into a groundbreaking agreement with key stakeholders in Abu Dhabi. This collaboration not only marks a significant milestone in sustainable transportation, but also presents a golden opportunity for investors, promising returns that could reshape investment portfolios in the aviation sector. So let's first talk about the first mover advantage in a high growth region. Archer's strategic move to establish itself as the first eVTOL maker in the MENA region, particularly in Abu Dhabi, is just like staking a claim in a gold rush of modern times. The first mover advantage here is not just about pioneering technology, but about the setting of industry standards, regulatory framework, and market expectations. For investors, this translates to 1. Market dominance. Being the first to introduce eVTOL services into a region known for its rapid adoption of innovation technologies means Archer can capture significant market share before competitors even enter the market. And number 2, we have brand recognition. Pioneer status in a region with extensive media coverage and international attention can elevate Archer's brand to a global recognition, directly impacting stock value and investment attractiveness. And then at number 3, we have regulatory influence. By helping to reshape the regulatory environment, Archer can ensure that the laws and safety standards are tailored to the technology, reducing future compliance and cost of operational hurdles. Let's now dive into the governmental and institutional support. The involvement of Abu Dhabi Investment Office, or the ADIO, is a clear indicator of the governmental backing. Abu Dhabi's Investment Office's role in coordinating efforts among local entities for the launch of eVTOL operation provides infrastructure developments, economic incentives, and reduced market entry risks. Let's now break these three down. So with infrastructure development, we can say that with governmental support, the necessary infrastructure like vertiport charging stations and maintenance facilities can be developed swiftly, ensuring a smoother operational rollout. Diving across to economic incentives, investors can expect benefits from potential tax breaks, grants, or other financial incentives that governments often provide to foster innovation and attract high-tech manufacturing. And then speaking about reduced market entry risks, governmental endorsement significantly reduces the risk of project failure due to the bureaucratic or regulatory bottlenecks, making the investment landscape more predictable and secure. The United Arab Emirates General Civil Aviation Authority proactive involvement, including the recent certification workshop with Archer, highlights that the collaboration ensures that Archer's aircraft Midnight meets stringent safety standards, which is crucial for the public trust and operational success. With regulatory tailoring, the GCAA's cooperation means regulations will evolve in step with Archer's technology, providing a clear path to commercialization without the usual regulatory delays that can stifle innovation. Speaking about the investor's confidence, a well-defined regulatory path reduces one of the largest risks associated with investing in new technologies, thereby increasing investor confidence and potentially leading to a higher equity valuation. So what about the economic and financial impacts for investors? So establishing manufacturing in Abu Dhabi not only reduces logistical costs, but also taps into local talent and resources, which can lead to cost efficiencies and faster production cycles. The strategic location of Abu Dhabi allows Archer to serve not just the local market, but also the broader MENA region and potentially Europe and Asia, increasing revenue potential from exports. Manufacturing facilities means long-term employment, local economic stimulation, a steady income stream for both domestic and international sales, all of which are advantageous to investors looking for stability alongside growth. Abu Dhabi gives a diverse revenue stream for Archer. The introduction of commercial eVTOL flights in Abu Dhabi opens up direct service revenue. The novelty and efficiency of air taxi services can command premium pricing, leading to high margins. Partnerships with entities like Etihad Aviation Training and Falcon Aviation Services for pilot training and aircraft maintenance introduce additional revenue streams. As Archer leads in the eVTOL technology, there are also potential for licensing this technology or components to other manufacturers or airlines, creating another layer of income. Then we get to partnership synergies. We can break this down into a few sections. So first we have ecosystem building. So the collaboration with major aviation players like Abu Dhabi airports and global air navigation services means that Archer is not just entering the market, but also helping to build the entire urban mobility ecosystem. The ecosystem approach ensures operational support, market validation, and shared costs and risks. From flight operations to airspace management, having industry partners mitigates many operational risks. Involvement of established industry players validates Archer's technology and business model in the eyes of the market, boosting investors' confidence. The multi-party agreement spreads the financial and operational risks across multiple entities, reducing the burden of Archer and, most importantly, the investors. Now let's get into the technological and operational innovation. So Archer's continuous innovation in eVTOL technology, especially with the Midnight aircraft, positions it as a leader for investors. This means a robust patent portfolio, and it can act as an asset protecting the market share and providing licensing opportunities. Archer will also have continuous improvement in battery life, noise reduction, and flight efficiency, and this could keep Archer ahead of its competitors, ensuring long-term investment value. The focus on electric propulsion aligns with global environmental conscious investors and consumers, which can lead to more favourable conditions for operation, marketing, and expansion due to environmental policies. A growing segment of consumers prefers eco-friendly options, potentially increasing demand for Archer services. And speaking about this demand, let's talk about the long-term growth and scalability. So these are my thoughts on the scalability model. A successful model in Abu Dhabi could be replicated in other cities or countries, providing a clear growth path. With each new market, revenue scales and operational efficiencies are realised, which boosts profitability. As more cities adopt eVTOLs, utility of the network increases, potentially creating a demand surge. Continued investment in research and development, supported by early access, can lead to new product lines or enhancements, keeping the company at the innovation edge. This is important as you don't want to be looking over your shoulder at Joby Aviation. With this deal, Archer targeting market validation and risk mitigation. The presence of figures like Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Zayed at the sign-in event, but also signals strong local support, crucial for investor confidence. The collaborative approach means risks are shared among multiple entities, reducing individual exposure and enhancing the project's resilience and market fluctuations or technological setbacks. The partnership between Archer Aviation and Abu Dhabi's cross-industry stakeholders is more than just a business agreement. It's a visionary move that promises to reshape urban transport and provide investors with a unique opportunity. The strategic advantages, from first mover benefits to governmental support, combined with economic incentives, technological innovation, and the creation of a robust operational ecosystem, all point towards potential growth. For investors, this isn't just about betting on a single technology or company, but investing in the future where urban air mobility provides a reality, offering not only high returns, but also contributing to a sustainable, efficient, and interconnected world. The initiative in Abu Dhabi could very well be the cornerstone for investors looking to be part of an aviation revolution, promising a blend of innovation, profitability, and environmental responsibility. We will be deep diving into everything Joby and Archer on Sunday on eVTOL Weekly Live. So if you've missed the first episode, I've got you covered right here, so I'll meet you here next.